Welcome to ChurchBooks3, your comprehensive solution for church accounting and management. This powerful software has been specifically designed to streamline your church operations and financial management, making it easier than ever to maintain accurate records and focus on what truly matters, your ministry and congregation. Let's explore the 13 essential features that make ChurchBooks3 an invaluable tool for your church. Starting with collections, you can efficiently manage and track all donations, tithes, and offerings. The Church Ledger module provides an intuitive system for maintaining accurate financial records, while the Church Budget feature helps you plan and monitor your financial resources with precision. The Church Membership module securely organizes all your member information in one accessible location. The Year-End Report feature generates comprehensive financial and membership reports, making tax season and annual reviews a breeze. With the Attendance module, you can easily track participation in services, events, and group activities. The Financial module gives you complete oversight of all transactions and allows you to generate detailed statements whenever needed. Event Tracking simplifies the process of scheduling and managing church activities, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The Employees module handles all your staff-related tasks, from payroll to HR management. The Meeting feature helps you organize and document church meetings effectively, while the Church Reports module allows you to create customizable reports for various purposes. The Social Tracking feature helps you monitor and enhance your church's community engagement and outreach efforts. All these features are supported by our Setup and Tech Support module, ensuring you can maximize the software's potential. Speaking of support, ChurchBooks3 comes with premium technical assistance to ensure you're never left struggling with any aspect of the software. Our dedicated installation hotline provides quick connect experience, getting you up and running in no time. Whether you're new to church management software or upgrading from another system, our team is here to help you every step of the way. With ChurchBooks3, you're not just getting a software solution, you're gaining a partner in ministry that understands the unique needs of church administration. Our user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and outstanding support make managing your church's operations smoother and more efficient than ever before.